Guys, anyway, back in another video, and I'm here with Tyler.
Because you said we'll do it here again, so
Yeah, so I've done it again.
Okay, guys, let's start running. We'll come back to you when
we'll see ya once we're in construction.
Bye.
Start. There we go, guys. We're here, as you can see. Look.
This used to be all the farmers' field.
Yeah.
All the way over to there.
All the way. So around us, guys, this is where Farmers Field was. Farmers Land. Like when my dad was like my age, because I'm 15 and my dad's 35, so yeah. So 20 years.
Remember the dog poo?
No. Bit of bed.
We're going this way. Because that way looks more haunted. Look.
Look.
Let's go have one little peek in here.
Let's go have a look in here, guys. Yep. And don't worry, I'm going to be facing it on me and Tyler at the same time. Look, bags. Look at bags.
Groupie bodies.
Look on.
Guys. This way.
Oh God. Guys, there's like guys on there. Guys, me and Tyler are trying to find a way to get in again without the guys spotting us.
Shall I?
We're trying not to get spotted.
Shall I?
But Tyler is going to throw that rock onto a container. In three.
When I see him come out.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll do it. I'll do it.
No.
I'll do it.
I want to go.
I want to do it. Not coming, not yet.
I'm scared.
Sorry guys. I'm just trying to get a good camera angle. There we go. Trying to look for them, guys.
Shot me when you come in, so we'll keep an eye here.
Stay there then, Tyler.
Make sure we're clear. Everyone will that one.
Guys, can you hear that sound? Not yet.
Should I throw it and see if they come out?
No.
You throw one, then when they come out, I'll throw the other.
Pass me one, man.
But pick up a sword and pick up one.
Wait till I come back. Please. You're there. You ready?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Run. Tyler, what are you doing? What's one? What? Ah! I got tripped.
Still over there.
I did set one.
They're smoking.
Oi! Yeah, guys, this is what we're doing.
Let's go back. I don't want to get in trouble.
Yeah, neither do I. Run! Run! Yeah.
Show me then.
This is good. No, I had them.
Run.
Yeah. What the hell do you mean? Come on, Tyler.
Shit.
What?
Actually, run.
Guys, we need to run right now. Right now. Guys, we'll see you in just a minute. See you once we're at Jake's. See you in a minute. Guys, we just had to run it straight out there.
Guys, guess what we did? Said, oi!
Yeah.
And then it's just carried on walking.
They was running towards us. So
Why
we
did they come to us not after?
had to flipping sprint it.
Why
Wow.
didn't they come to us at first, sir?
Don't know. Well, because they're lazy, isn't it? What?
You could throw a stone over the fence and hit the container there was in. Then
You better.
come straight to us. Let's go knock on Jake's fence, see if he's in again.
Yeah. Let's do it again for the third time. That he's not answered. He's not answered twice.
Well, you'd not miss that.
You? I'm joking. I will. Guys, I'm with him there. If you didn't know. I'm with him. I'll give him. Yeah.
Hopefully he's in.
And
We're
guys,
gonna end the video now.
hey. You gonna shout out?
Nah.
Hi.
Yourself.
Don't want a shout out.
Yeah.
You want to shout yourself out?
Yep.
Shout yourself out?
Follow me on Facebook. Tyler Brooks.
Yes. How do you spell Brooks so they all know?
Tyler for Tyler. Then space in Brooks.
There you go. That's how you spell it, guys. Don't forget, you just shouted his name out and to follow him.
Follow me on Messenger as well.
So make sure.
Wait. Don't type in Tyler
Yeah.
Brooks. Type in Mini Jordan. It says M-I-N-E. Min E. No, M-I-N-E.
No. M-I-N-I.
M-I-N-I. Space. J-O-R-D-A-N.
Jordan. And that's his name. So guys, make sure you follow him, and if you do, comment down below what your name is on Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat, and all those ladies that are on there as well. Yep, I ain't desperate, don't we? But we'll see you in part 3.
Part 3's ball flips.
Bye! Peace.